how to goal set a millionaire routine that works, at the end, you're going to see how you can do this over and over again. So regardless of what you want to achieve, is that you'll be able to achieve whatever you want from your life. I'm going to take you through a 4-step process where you ask yourself 4 questions and you repeat those questions over and over again. Revisit this video and do the tasking at the end, and then the following 3 days or week, come back to it and redo it. So step number 1, ask yourself, what don't you want anymore? Most people get goal setting wrong, and here's why. Because they try to focus on the things that they want rather than things that they don't want. What drives the brain is pain. Pain drives the brain. The deeper we go into the pain, the more likely we're actually going to do something. If you focus on the problems and the pain and creating a solution from that, then you will actually do something about it. Look at the 4 sacred areas of your life: being, energy, love, and impact. Being, emotional well-being. What don't you want anymore? Are you stressed? Are you overwhelmed? Are you full of anxiety? Energy and your body. What don't you want anymore? Do you have pain in your back? Are you tight in your back? Are you overweight? Do you dislike how you look? Do you get out of breath when you go up the stairs? Love, relationships, internally and externally. Do you self-judge yourself? Do you not have the external love that you want from someone else? Where's the pain in this area? The impact. What don't you want anymore? Career, business. Maybe you don't want to earn a certain amount anymore. You want to earn more. Maybe you're tired of spending the amount of time that you're doing there. Maybe you want to spend less and do something that you're passionate about. So you're looking at the pain and the solutions on the other side. Then number 2, what have you been lying about? We're peeling the onion. People are very surface level. And then I'm going to say to you, you've been lying to who? Yourself. What have you been lying about? Okay, in your being, emotional, what have you been lying about? Where's the lie? Now, humans are naturally inauthentic about how authentic they are. They lie about the fact that they don't lie. You're lying about something. It's just the truth. You know that's the truth. Where are you lying about your body? You say that you're okay, but you edit your pictures. You say that maybe you're not into health, but you worry about, how you look and how other people perceive your body, etc. Where is the lie in your body and your health? Maybe you say you only eat a certain amount of food, maybe on the weekend, but secretly you're smashing the fridge day in, day out. Where's the lie? Where's the lie with your relationships? Maybe you say you're okay as a single, but you really are lonely at night. Where's the lie? Maybe you're not the partner that you expected to be for your partner. Maybe you say things behind their back, etc. Or maybe you're not the perfect partner or daughter or brother or sister, etc. Where's the lie currently? And where's the lie in your career and business? Do you say that maybe you're okay earning a certain amount, but actually you're not? Are you letting yourself down in some shape or form? At number 3, where are you incomplete? And so again, it's just deeper problem, deeper pain, so you become more aware of what's really holding you back. That we as humans are on this journey to complete and become whole, the oneness. So where we're incomplete, we have these triggers or emotions. Say for example, you had an argument with your friend and you never apologize, and that sits on top of it, which means that you build up this resentment. So say you have another heated discussion, it's sitting on top of that, and top of that, top of that, and the compound effect, and that's why people, get triggered so easily, because they're dealing with all of this negative emotion that's built up. So where are you complete? So we can look at an area of pain and resolve it. Where are you complete in your emotional well-being? Where are you complete in your energy? Where are you incomplete in your love and relationships? Where are you complete in your career, business? Where are you incomplete? And then when we look at an area of incompletion, again, that we can do something about it. And what action at number 4 can you take to improve this? And write down 1 action to complete for your emotional well-being. That could be to meditate every day for like 3 minutes. If you've never meditated before, then you need to start small. All right. And again, you can focus on what area is right for you. You can't do all of it at the same time. Focus on one area, get that habit ingrained, and then increase and compound on the habits. It's that simple. So if you're suffering from stress or anxiety, it could be cold water therapy, right? It could be hot water therapy, as in sauna. It could be meditation. It could be journaling. It could be whatever you choose to find relaxing so that you can become emotionally stable. Write down 1 action that you can complete about your energy. Maybe it's just to eat more green. Maybe it's to reduce the amount of caffeine. Maybe it's to stop gluten and wheat. Maybe it's to stop dairy. Maybe it's to stop alcohol. Maybe it's to stop sugar. Maybe it's to do all of them. No sugar, no dairy, no alcohol, no caffeine, no wheat, no. Say no to it and give it like 10 days. See how you feel. You'll feel amazing. Or maybe it's just to start walking every day. Maybe it's to do like 5,000 steps or 10,000 or 20,000. Maybe it's to go to the gym, and regardless of what you do in the gym, just do 20 minutes. But it's something that you do every day, and you start building it, and it becomes a habit. When people say they can't build a habit, they just don't do it consistently every single day. That's That's all you need to do for a period of time, and it will become habitually conditioned. The key is to keep it small. What's an area that you can increase in your love? Maybe it's to speak to a certain amount of people. Maybe it's to join a dating app. Maybe it's to message someone in your life that you love, and you build on top of that. And you spend a whole week sending them beautiful messages saying, I love you, appreciate you, and you start to notice. Play this game, which I do with my clients. You have to notice all the amazing things about that person. So it fills your brain with all these beautiful things that remind you to be grateful for that special person. Write down one action to complete in this area. And then the same in the last for your career and business. What's one action that you could take towards your career or business every single day? Maybe it's learning a new skill. Maybe it's joining my expert coach model. Maybe it's becoming a certified coach. Maybe it's joining clients in automation. Maybe it's going through my YouTube videos. Maybe it's reading. Maybe it's journaling. Maybe it's playing the piano. Whatever it may be for you, one action and you do it a day. Again, look, you can focus. If you're saying like, Ed, I'm really stuck on my career right now, I want to focus on that, then focus on that. If you're stuck in your love, then focus on your love. If you're stuck on your energy, then focus on your energy. If you're stuck in your being, your emotional well-being, and you've just got no calm, no peace in your life, then focus on your being first. And then as you start to build on top of this, habits build on habits, habits, compound effect. I promise you, just stay on this to the rest of your life and you'll achieve whatever you want. And then just come back and redo this in either 3 or 7 days. Keep going over those 4 steps over and over again and just improve on that area. Subscribe to the channel for daily videos to help you. I'll see you on the next video.